You want to take the truck out or you want to take your four-wheeler?
Huh?
I got to move some stuff out of the way. What's wrong with you this morning? You stay up all night?
My allergies.
Allergies, that's what I'd call it too if I stayed up all night. You do have bad allergies, don't you? Alright, we'll catch y'all in a little bit. Is that just a gobble back that way? Yeah, it was.
That was way off.
That was a gobble. There's another gobble, wasn't there?
Way down to the creek bottom.
That's two. But I can't hunt past that fence line. You can, I can. I refuse to ask. Well, son, let me tell you something. For a mile away, I get the old aluminum collar.
They ain't gonna hear that.
Huh?
They ain't gonna hear that.
Well, they can hear as good as we can. If I can hear them, they can hear me. I ain't gonna say I can bring them to us, but
I ain't that good. I just feel like dangerous.
I'm not that good either, but I get lucky sometimes. I'd rather be lucky as good. All right, if they start gobbling, I'll catch y'all in a minute. I ain't heard the first gobble back toward the Friday hunt this morning. Yeah, I just heard one. Did you hear it?
Right up there too.
Huh?
One here and one that way.
What, you heard one back that way? Well, I just heard one
I heard him too.
back that way towards where I hunt, but it's not nowhere near where I hunt, but it's that direction. How many's that make? 4?
3 or 4. Different birds.
Maybe we gotta.
Oh,
They're here. They're just. Last year we didn't get on them for a good while, remember?
well, I did. I screwed up on
Huh?
2 or 3 different ones. They weren't gobbling last year though.
Well, I did. I didn't take it back. I killed one the first morning, but I didn't get it on video. There was a gobble, wasn't it?
Same spot. Down there next to the creek.
But after that first kill, it took me forever to get on another one. Where was that one at?
Down there next to the creek.
You sure? I think it was that way.
You had it.
Your hearing's off, huh? Oh shit, that in there. He bailing down in the holler, ain't he?
Same spot.
He ain't that far off.
Man, you could probably kill him. No, but he's down there next to the creek bottom.
He's on the mountain. He's on the creek for sure. The club we're in owns all the way down to the creek, don't they?
Yeah.
Except for what we own on this side. Where was that one at?
Same spot. I drove down there last year. They just tore up the sign.
Where, that one's toward me, wasn't it?
I don't know.
I just heard another gobble. They're gobbling people, but man, they're a long ways off.
Same spot. They tore up again down there at the creek.
You may want to get down there. I tell you what, I've killed more turkeys before that land was sold on that flat right there. Where was that one at?
Same spot.
They're not killed anywhere else is on that flag. Nothing. Well, he's a barreler, ain't he?
You probably kill that one. It's easy.
I ain't kill him, because unless he comes over here, because I refuse to go on that side of the fence.
You could travel right down there on the club, get within probably 200 yards of him.
Yeah, I can hunt the club, yeah. Get down below his line. Be some thick walking though, wouldn't it? You reckon it's opened up some?
No, it's pretty open.
Is it?
And you figure he ain't in the deer tag. He's down in the creek bottom. Go up again.
Well, I wish the one would gobble just a little closer. But that one was back that way behind me, wasn't it? You don't think so?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, let's walk on out to the gate. I'll catch you on a minute. That one there was close. Oh yeah, he's real close.
He's right there on that road.
Yeah. Two of them.
3 of them.
3 gobblers.
Mm-hmm.
It was close enough to call on my side of the fence. I don't know if I'll be out here Monday morning or not, but if I was you, I definitely would be.
Those are less than 200 yards out here.
Huh?
Those are less than 200 yards out here.
They're close. Man could get right over there. Call them in. They're close. They're in that holler on the other side of the holler. One or the other. They're not over 200 yards, I don't think.
That's it right there around that corner.
Run that sharp turn.
Where I called that bird in last year.
Yep. I hope they can hear it on the camera, but I doubt it. They'll be able to hear that, don't they? Maybe. There's 3 of them going to town, ain't there? If I was going to hunt them, since I don't hunt that side anymore, I'd go right over on that point over there, above Colby's tree stand, stay up top of the field. Because a lot of times they'll hit the field and they'll go them around the edge of the field, you know what I'm saying? Especially for hens here. Or they'll go that way. Because a lot of times there's that big field over there, they'll just go straight to that field over there too. You can call and they'll gobble, but they don't come to you. So I don't know. But did you get permission to hunt that?
Yeah. I just heard one back your way.
Did you? If I was you, I'd be in there every morning, man, or Monday morning. Early. You kill that turkey. There's 2 of them. I believe you kill either one of them birds.
Good.
Huh?
I'd say you could.
Oh yeah, they're close. That was over my way, wasn't it? Was it not?
At the bottom, yeah.
Yeah, them birds there, they're close enough. They can call them over here. Wouldn't need to step foot on that land right there. That mare's over my way. You hear it?
I heard it. I couldn't tell which way it was.
Oh, look like a hoot owl.
How's that for
Did you hear that one? That ought to shot gobblin. I know one thing. That gobbler's breath stunk. I can smell it from up here.
Yeah.
What do you got to say for yourself? I'm out there video.
I wasn't mean, it was you.
I don't think so. I heard enough here. It's starting to piss me off just a little bit. I'm going to have to shortcut you Monday morning. Daggone, boy. You got a stomach problem. All right, I'll catch you on a little bit. Walking out to my, I'm going to slip out toward my ground blind. We've heard at least, what, 4 or 5 gobblers? If not 6. I'll catch y'all here in a minute. Walking out here to the ground blind, see if I hear any gobble. I'm not going to stick around too long, though. I'm scratching in here everywhere. We've heard probably 5 or 6 gobbles this morning, but it was on the other side of the farm. We heard one back this way, but we couldn't tell quite how far it was. It's supposed to rain Monday, so I'll probably come out and get in the ground blind regardless. Whether I kill anything or not. But I've got faith in this spot. It may be better late season, but it'll be less pressured right here probably. From the neighbors anyway, I don't think they even turkey hunt. There goes a deer. Took off up through there. Colton stayed back a little ways. He didn't want to walk all the way out here. I'm not going to call, or I didn't even bring no callers with me. Even if I did, I wouldn't call. Only thing you do is educate them if you did. There goes a squirrel. Squirrels are thick in here. Alright, I'll catch y'all in a minute. I'm going to check out my blind. Alright, I'm heading out of here. They're scratching out here, but didn't hear nothing. Colton ought to have a chance to kill one Monday morning if it's not pouring the rain down. Looks like it's gonna rain today. It ain't supposed to. I hope it don't, because I want Jameson to be able to go enjoy the baseball game. They're going up and watch Pittsburgh Pirates play. I don't know who they're playing. He's really excited about it. His sister Maddie, she didn't want to go, so she's going to come and stay with Pappin or Mimi while they go. So, alrighty. I'll catch y'all here in a few. So what's your outlook on the situation?
Seen gobblin a whole lot. I ain't heard one.
Not on this side anyway.
I ain't heard one gobble since 8th grade.
I like a challenge.
I like the gimmies.
Well, I do too every now and then, but anybody watches me and Colt and turkey hunt, like I said, I'm not a trophy hunter, are you? What do we say about turkey hunting?
Red, blue, dead.
We don't pass up on a... Well, if they gobble, they're a gobbler, right?
I can see a whisker, they're a gobbler.
They're a piece of peach fuzz.
Yep.
So, it's looking good on your side, ain't looking very good on mine. I mean, turkeys are in there, but...
Ain't looking too great on my side either.
Well, shoot, how many do we hear gobble?
Only 3 though, close enough to hunt.
I believe a person could have killed one of them 3 turkeys, if not 2 of them. They called me in. Because, man, they was... But I don't know. We didn't stick around until they flew down. They may have shut up once they hit the ground. They was burning her up in the tree, though, wasn't it?
Yep.
Are we going fishing in the morning for a little bit?
Yeah.
So I got to be back. I'm going to spend some time with Mom tomorrow. Me and Linda. So... Alrighty, we go camp or fishing in the morning. We may do a cook and clean video. Is that what you say?
Yeah, we can.
I'll have to clean the fish I catch. I mean, if I depend on him, I'll be going hungry. Alright, hope everybody has a great Easter. Take care. God bless. We appreciate you watching. Tune in for some, what do you call them, big good time Jake hunting.
Yeah.
Catch you later.